These are the 5 worst foods to eat in menopause. Hi there, my name is Sherry Menke, and I'm 54 years old. I lost 23 pounds of menopause weight and kept it off, and I want to share it with you. So the 5 worst foods to eat in menopause. First, I'm going to tell you what they are and then why. Number 1, processed food. Number 2, sugary food and drink. Number 3, caffeine and alcohol. Number 4, spicy food. And number 5, high sodium food. So processed food, that would be fast food, packaged snacks, and processed meats are very high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, sodium, which mean they can worsen and contribute to weight gain. Number 2, sugary foods and drinks. So your sodas, your pops, your candy, sweetened cereal disrupts your blood sugar levels, contributes to weight gain, and increase the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Number 3, caffeine and alcohol, both in excess, can disrupt your sleep patterns, worsen your mood, hot flushes, and dehydrate your body. Number 4, spicy foods. Hot peppers, spicy sauces. These can trigger or actually worsen hot flashes and night sweats in some women. And number 5 is high sodium food. So that would be like your processed meat, your lunch meat, canned soup, salty snacks, which cause water retention, bloating, and increase your risk of high blood pressure. So maintaining a balanced diet of nutrient-rich foods is recommended during menopause and always. If you want to know more about a program that I have created to help you actually lose weight with exact foods of what to eat and when, comment skinny down. I'll reach out to you. And don't forget to follow, share this video with your bestie. See you tomorrow.